Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do 3 things together. All of them involve listening to the sounds that you hear. The first way that we're going to demonstrate hearing the sounds in a word is we're going to break them apart. We're going to break apart the sounds we hear. We know that as segmenting, and we will do that together. After that, we are going to read the sounds we see to read a word. We're going to blend the sounds we see to read a word. And then we're going to write the sounds we hear to read a word. So, get comfy. And either you can use either your chopping block, or you can use your rubber band stretcher, or you can use your head, shoulders, tummy. Either one, it doesn't matter. Okay, ready? Go. Break apart the sounds you hear in the word bud. D. Good job. Thanks for doing it with me. Let's try the word gem. J-E-M. Next, rex. R-E-X. This one, do on your own. Jam. That's right. J-E-M. We're going to go on. Let's do it. It. Next is fit. It. Dig. D-I-G. In. It. Try this next one on your own. Had. Good job. Try rag. Nice. We're going to keep going. Try it on your own. Mud. Good. Now, tub. Okay, I'll do the next one with you. Run. Here's a tricky one. Suds. Adding an extra sound in there. Let's try it again. Suds. Will. Do tug on your own. Tug. Can you do tugs? Good job, tugs. Okay, I'm going to ask Mr. Scanlon to hand me the camera, and we're going to do the second part, where we're going to blend the sounds that we see to read words. Thank you, Mr. Scanlon.
You're welcome.
I love that you had your kitty helpers there with you. Okay, so let's take a look at each word, and we'll blend the sounds we see. Bud. What's the word? Bud. It. Add. Had. Run. Good job, you did it by yourself. Gem. Fit. Rag. Suds. Do you know what suds are? Suds are those soapy things when you wash your hands or take a bath. Let's try this one. X. Rex. D-I-G. Dig. Mud. Nice. Jan. In. Tub. Tug. Good job. So we read the sounds that we saw. Now let's read the words. We'll go across and read each word. Bud, gem, Rex, Jan. Did you notice anything about each of those words? You're right. They each start with a capital letter. That means it's a name. Bud, we know him. He was the pup. Jem, we know him. He's the little boy that got the pup. Rex, we know Rex is the friend that came over to see Bud the pup. And Jan was the other friend that came to play with Bud the pup. Let's go on and read this row. It fit. Oh, it fit. Huh, what did you notice? You're right, they rhyme. Dig in, had, rag, mud, tub, run, suds, will, tug. Good job. You read the sounds you saw to read a word. Nice. So by blending the sounds you see to read a word helps you become a better reader. Now, go and get yourself a piece of paper so that we can do part 3, where we can write the sounds we hear to spell words. And this is going to be my workspace. I'll work with you, and you go get a piece of paper and a pencil or pen or crayon or whatever you have to work with. And I will count to 30. I bet you can be ready by then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to start with my first word right here. You're going to write the same word. Write the sounds you hear to spell mud. Mud. D. Did you write M-U-D? Good job. Hey, next word. Tug. Stretch it out. T-U-G. Write the sounds you hear to spell the word tug. T-U-G. Did you get it before me? Good job. Tug. T-U-G. Write the sounds you hear to spell the word tub. Tub. T-U-B. Did you write T-U-B? Tub? Nice. Try the word rag. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Something to wash with. Rag. Good job. Let's see. How about dig? Dig. D-I-G. D. Now remember, the D's belly goes that way. D, I, dig. G. Oh. Wow, 3 of our words end in G. Okay, few more, just a couple more. Here we go. The next word is fit. 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 I can fit in the box. It. Fit. Good job. F-I-T spells fit. Next, had. I had fun writing the sounds I hear. Had. H. Ad. You try it. Had. H. Ad. Nice. Last one. Last one is will. Will. W. I. O. Will. W. I. O. And there's 2 L's at the end of will. So if you only wrote one, you can go ahead and put another one there. Will. Let's read what we wrote. Mud, tug, tub, rag, dig, fit, had, and will. Good job, Kinder Cheetahs. Tomorrow, or the next lesson, you're going to use those words to read the story, Bud Likes Mud. Thanks for listening. Thanks for riding along. Thanks for breaking apart the sounds you hear. Good job. That's a thumb up. Oh, bye, Kitty says.